On this Make It Once video, a game of chance. Hi viewers, it's May 1st and it's time to give away this keychain for hitting 100 subscribers. It's been total fun and I want to keep going. So I'm here sitting in the Amazon and we're gonna roll a dice to see who wins. There was 5 commenters, so it's just one through 6 roll. 6 will re-roll again. This seemed like the most fun way to do it instead of getting one of those automatic pickers. So here we go. Number 1. Thank you, number 1. Your keychain will be on the way. Find me on Instagram. I'll put it here on the screen. Send me a message of what your address is and I'll ship out the leather keychain.